I'm about 15 minutes outside of Fond du Lac, and I have this amazing spot y'all need to check out. This is LaClare Creamery, just about 15 minutes outside of Fond du Lac, and they have so many things to do. You can come out here, enjoy some lunch, bring the kids, check it out. They have goats. Check this out. Look at this. These freaking goats are so cute. And they have all sorts of things. They've got this greenhouse, and then of course there's inside where they have food. Hello, fresh, delicious food. Again, about 15 minutes just outside of Fond du Lac. It is beautiful out here. Come and check it out.